Okay, what I'm going to do here is I've got a pineberry plant, which is a white strawberry, I believe, that I got at the Kalamunda garden show. It's been growing for a while, not very well, but hey, hasn't been the season for it, I don't think. It requires a second strawberry to be able to fruit. So I've got a second strawberry sitting up in there. And I've got on the plant itself some of these runners. So I'm going to try and grow some more pineberries by popping these in some really little pots, leaving them connected to the main plant, and hopefully they'll root, grow. I'll snip off the runners from the main plant. Hopefully I'll end up with some more pineberries. Okay, so to do this, I've got these tiny little pots. Little fellas found on the verge. No, I got this off the Vic Park gifting page. So thank you whoever gifted them. And the way I'm going to hold them in here is I've got some toothpicks. Just going to pop them through the bottom of the pot. Be sure they're in properly. Pop some bit of potting mix in there. No fertiliser in this because I want to encourage root growth rather than feed them too much. Get leaf growth. At least that's a theory. Put that in potting mix. Okay, I'm going to need some more pots. So you go in there. I'm going to pop this one in here. And there we go. I've got to find some pots, equally small pots for these three. And then we'll be done. Oh, I've got to water it. I'll have to water it. And I might just trim some of these off. This fella, no, going to go around in circles. All right, I might trim some of them off. Get another 2 or 3 in here, and hopefully in spring we'll have more pineberries. In case you didn't realise, it's a bit humid today. Okay, so there we go. Got them all in. Going to give them a bit of water. Chuck a little bit of blood and bone on the main plant just to help it grow a bit more. And we shall wait and see.